Thank you so much for clicking on this video. This is going to be 3 different unboxings. First up is Poshmark from Christy J MUA. All of her information is going to be at the end of her little segment, so don't worry, I'm going to go over all her social media. But she basically included like really cute cards and stickers and just really like put her personal touch on it, which I thought was really, really sweet. So I have to tell you why I filmed myself trying to open this, because she wrapped it up so well and taped it up so well. And that is a very Caribbean / Puerto Rican thing to do. And so my Puerto Rican sister hooked me up. She was making sure that nothing was getting out of that or getting broken or getting lost or anything. So I really do appreciate that attention to detail. Thank you so much. Next up is this MAC lipstick. I usually never go this dark, but I actually really like it. I tried it on myself and I really do like it. And next up is a NYX foundation, or NYX, however you'd like to say it. And that was actually a really good match too. I was very pleasantly surprised with that. So I swatched it on my thumb and on my palm. And I got a couple of palettes from her, from NYX or NYX. One is very cool blue tones, and the next one is very warm orangey red tones. So I'm really excited to try them out and do some cool looks, because I don't really have that many like bright colors in my collection, but I'm working on changing that. So, you know, why not? And this is a Bobbi Brown cleansing oil. I just have really started to take off the majority of my makeup, or all of my makeup, with an oil or a cream instead of just a face wipe or makeup wipe. And so that's been working out really, really well. So here is all of her information. If you guys would like to support her business, you can find her on TikTok. That's where I found her and started following her on there, and then went to her Poshmark. So give her a follow. She's really cool. I think you guys would really, really like her. Next up is an OligoPro giveaway prize. I went to, well, I didn't go to, but I logged on to a hair show online, and Nina Tulio was giving away an OligoPro giveaway and actually won. So there are some packages of lightener, which I can't wait to try, and then these shine drops, which is basically like a shine serum that I cannot wait to try as well. And she gave me 2, which is awesome, and they're full size, which I'm like really pleasantly surprised by that, and a mask that I really, really need and I want to try ASAP. And last up is my IT Cosmetics purchase. I did purchase this, and I don't know what I was talking about in the intro to this, but for some reason I just like was focusing on the box and the bag for some reason. Anyways, that bag that you see on the left is like a free gift. And then here is a sample of the Confidence in a Cream Super Cream. I really enjoyed it. I'll probably purchase it at some point. And then this is the green, like red corrector cream, but I really didn't see much of a difference. That is a mascara that was part of a little bundle that I bought. And yeah, I'm probably talking through this and forgot that I talked through it. Anyway, that is a little lip balm that I was needing desperately. And that is a little sample of the Lash Blowout mascara that I've been really wanting to try, and I do really like it. This is a dual brush. So there's a brush on either side. And that also came with the little package, or the little bundle deal that I got from IT Cosmetics. So I've been enjoying that as well. Nice little fluffy brush on both sides. And then that is my CC cream. So I love that stuff. I literally don't know if I'll go back to any other foundation. I mean, I like the NYX one that I got from Poshmark, but for every day. And again, that is the bag that came with my order. And that's all my stuff from IT Cosmetics. I actually have liked all of it. The mascaras have been fine. Nothing really groundbreaking or special, but I still like them nonetheless. Thanks again for watching, and if you want to see more unboxing videos, let me know. Thanks.